incidents happen. Be prepared for an incident with a dash camera. The Hurra 1080p dashcam can help. The dashcam includes G-sensing technology. The camera can detect an accident and record it to see who is at fault, including motion detection. Easy to install, with a suction cup for windshield mounting, and an adhesive mount for dash mounting. Easy to remove, making it a good tool for recording memorable moments. The camera kit includes a 720p reversing camera, so you can see your way backing up into a parking space or driveway. Drive safe with the Hurra vehicle dash cam.